In the previous video, I have teach you how to determine the RE. That's question A. Now we will do the rest of the question starting with B. Question B says find Zi with RO infinity. So what's the meaning of RO infinity ohm? RO is a resistor. It will come the output side of the AC analysis. If a resistor is infinity, we should consider that resistor as open circuit because there are no current through that resistor because of the infinity resistance. So we will do the rest of the questions starting with B. So question B, find Zi. To find Zi and Zo and AV, all of these, we need the AC analysis of this circuit. So we have to draw this AC analysis according to this circuit. Consider, while doing the AC analysis, you should consider this voltage sources as grounded. So this is B, this is E, and this is C, collector, base, emitter. So this base is connected to the ground and the collector is connected to the ground. Also the emitter is connected to the ground. So this is B, this is C, this is the AC analysis, this is beta RE, and all is connected to the ground. So plus minus VI. Also this is Zi. The impedance is inside side of the input side. So this is B and this is ground. So this B here is connected to the ground. So between this base and the ground there is a 470 kilo ohm resistor, and you can see between this collector and ground there is a 3 kilo ohm resistor. So in the AC analysis circuit, this is C and this is ground. So between C and E there is a 3 kilo ohm resistor. And also in the AC analysis you should draw RO, it's default. But in this case we don't need to draw the RO because here mentioned in the question that RO is infinity. So if we draw RO, it's infinity, so we don't need to consider that RO, so we can delete that. So we can only consider the 3 kilo ohm resistor for the output side. So this is plus minus V out, and then this is Z output. So the current through beta RE is IB and this is IC. You all know the IC is equals to the beta IB, and this is, we can put this as IO as our easiest way. So now we will consider the question, the Zi. Zi equals to, this Zi is equals to this 470 kilo. Zi is directly equals to the 470 into what is beta RE. Beta is 100 and RE is, we found that RE is 10.71. So beta RE is beta RE is 1.07 kilo ohm. I taught you how to determine the beta RE in the previous video. You can see that video as well if you want. 1.07 kilo ohm. So Zi is directly parallel to these 2 points. So Zi is equals to the 470 kilo ohm parallel to 1.07 kilo ohm. So what is the answer of Zi? Will become 1.07 kilo ohm. So we found the Zi successfully. The next question is C is asking to determine to calculate ZO. As you can see, this is our ZO. So while we did the Zi the same way we have to do to find the ZO. So ZO is directly equals to 3 kilo ohm, because there is no any RO or there is no any resistors between these 2 points. Then the third question, determine AV. We all know AV equals to VO over VI. So this is VO. So what is VO equals to? This is IO into, but the current is here plus minus. So the actual current is going like this, but our current is going like this. So this is the opposite side of the actual current. So we should put minus IO into 3 kilo ohm over, what is VI? While we doing to find the VI, we only consider this 1.7 kilo ohm, because comparing to this 1.07 kilo ohm, this 470 kilo ohm is much bigger. So as our easiest way, we are not considering this 470 kilo ohm, because there is such a small current is going through this comparing to this 1.07 kilo ohm. So we are ignoring this current and we are only considering this current only. So I in is equals to directly IB. So there is no current between this through this resistor, so we are not considering this resistor anymore. So what is the VI? VI equals to IB into beta RE. You all know that as you can see, this beta IB is going through like this. So IO is equals to beta IB. So minus IO is equals to beta IB. So IB cancel, beta cancel. So the final formula is minus 3 kilo ohm over RE. So we know these two values. This is 3 kilo ohm and this is, we found this in the previous video. So minus 3 kilo ohm over RE is 1.07 kilo ohm. So the final voltage gain, AV means voltage gain, is minus 280.11. This is our final question. We can do the E part in the next video. So thank you very much for your time and thank you very much for the watching. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will reply to those comments. Thank you.